Microlinked hair.
In the last video, we touched on the state of the Microlink hair extensions that I installed about 5 months ago. In this video, I'm going to go into more detail about my natural curl pattern and why I choose to wear the curl pattern of Kinky Curly extensions that I wear.
My natural hair is a different texture than the extensions that I'm wearing. My natural hair actually blends in perfectly and much better with curl pattern 4. So I keep my hair short. I usually trim or just, chop my hair so that I can allow this curl pattern and these extensions to basically just take over my natural hair. Since I'm an actress and dancer out here, I have headshots that I need to look like. So here are my current headshots. I took these headshots back in July. They aren't the same extensions that I'm wearing in my hair right now, but they are the same curl pattern. Yeah, so I need to keep looking like my headshots if and when I do switch over to curl pattern 4, because I really do want to grow my hair out a little bit more and just, play with a new look. When I do that, I'm going to have to take new headshots. And so whenever I change my hair, even if I decided to change my hair color, I'd have to go take new photos and then, do a whole new photo shoot and then say, hey y'all, this is my new look. Book me with my new look. So that's part of the reason why I wear this curl pattern, and I'm sticking with this curl pattern for a little while. When I was first growing my hair out of a relaxer, which was probably about 8 years ago, when I decided to switch over and just let my hair grow out, I was cheering for the Redskins, which was also a situation where I needed to continue looking like the photos that were being used to promote me while I was on the team. I was actually wearing curl pattern 1, and so I wasn't sure exactly what my natural hair was gonna do. And once I, as my natural hair grew all the way out and I realized, my natural hair is like the really, really coily, tight coiled hair, I pretty much decided I didn't really want to deal with that. So I made the decision that I will just keep my hair short and I will just attach hair that's already curled all over it, and then I'll just get up and go. So that was my decision back then, and I've kind of stuck with it as far as like the look and everything that I was doing as far as acting and dancing and just having a certain look with a certain curl pattern and just essentially like hiding is the wrong word to use, but just, wearing a looser curl pattern. And, I really like this curl pattern, but eventually I do want to try curl pattern 4. Let me go ahead and brush the hair out so you guys can see how I actually really like to wear my hair. So I like to take a brush and I'm holding it at the point of attachment as I brush. So I'll just do kind of like a light brushing just to make it a little bigger, just a little bigger. I'm not gonna get too wild. This is the look brushed out a little bit. Yeah, I just like big hair, big poofy curls. One of the benefits of Microlink hair extensions that I absolutely love is when I go on vacation, being able to get in the water and not really worry about anything. If I'm going to the pool, being able to just wash it and condition it, and really I'm still able to get into my scalp and everything. Fitness, sweating through workouts and dancing and everything, I'm still able to have a look that still works and still looks good. I was actually hoping to have made a video of a vacation I was supposed to take about 2 weeks ago. I was supposed to go to Cancun for a few days, and I was gonna document and journey all the different water activities and things like that. I will still post a video of a vacation that I took last year in Hawaii, doing water sports and just showing you what my hair looked like afterward. And whenever we get out of this quarantine, you'll be able to have some knowledge and some tips on a look that you can have and take with you anywhere around the world, because I have traveled the world wearing my Microlink hair extensions. I've been on tours where I just take the tools with me so I can tighten up my hair. Yeah, Microlink hair extensions have been a very convenient way for me to keep a great look and have an active lifestyle. So if that is for you, go ahead and click the link below and get some information on Microlinked hair extensions. There's an ebook, there's videos, there's a newsletter, there's more YouTube videos coming so that you can have some information. And subscribe if you like, if you want to get notified on some new videos that are coming your way.